Hello everyone, welcome to VLSI Academy. This is 10th lecture and today we will learn about grep command in Perl. Grep is nothing but a shell command. The beauty of Perl is that it allows you to execute shell commands using Perl scripting. Grep stands for global regular expression and it allows you to finding the text-based pattern in a file or multiple files without opening them. In this lecture, we will see the usage of grep command with some live examples in Perl. So this is an online compiler that we are using. Left side is the code window and right side is the execution window. So let's say we have an array which contains the name of employees. The name of employees are like Jacob, Radheshyam, Vivek, Vikram, Alexander, and Jyoti. In addition to these names, let's say this list also contained some employees IDs. So let's say one employee ID is 9873 and other is 4523. Now this list not only contains names but also contains employee IDs. And if we wish to search only for the names and list out only the names out of this combined list, we can use the grep command to do it. Let's assume the array containing only the names is grep name. So the command for grep will be as follows. First we will use the grep keyword and then in parenthesis first we will give the pattern, and the pattern for getting only the names in the list is string containing the alphabets ranging from A to Z, which we specify inside the square brackets, and then we terminate it with the dollar, and after that comma you have to give the array name for which we are grepping. So array name will be my names and then this. Now if you execute, you will not get any output because we have not given the print statement. First, let's zoom out a little bit to capture the output correctly on the output window. So let us first print the original list with the print command. Original list is my names with slash and character. Now let's print the grepped list. Grepped list contains only the names, but original names will contain the IDs also. So that difference we can see. Now let's execute the code. We can clearly see first list contains IDs also, but second list in which we have used the grep command with the pattern, it only contains the names and no IDs. Let's say the requirement is to take out only the names which ends with M. So we can change the pattern here, and let's say if you want to see the patterns ending with M, then dollar will be ending sign, and it will take only the names which are ending at M. So Radheshyam and Vikram will be the output for this. So let's execute it, and you can clearly see Radheshyam and Vikram are coming. Now let's say you want to see the names which are beginning with V. So you can use this power character along with V. So when you execute it, it will give you the names which are beginning with V. So this character is for beginning and dollar is for ending. Let's say the requirement is to extract all the elements which does not start with V. So you just have to put the not operator outside this pattern. So first the system will search for this regular expression and it will do the not of this expression. So first it will take the Vivek and Vikram as input, it will search for it, and then it will do the not. So even the employee IDs will come out as an output. You can clearly see this. Now let's say the requirement is to extract only the employee IDs. For that, regular expression will be something like this. In the forward slashes, inside this you have to put slash d. So this is an escape sequence which takes only the integers. So it will take out employee IDs which are the integers. When you execute this, you can clearly see only the employee IDs are taken out. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.